Welcome to Callous Coder, and today we will be reviewing and modding this Keychron C1. I wasted a lot of silicone, so you don't have to. Motherfucker! The Keychron C1 comes in a nice embossed box. It is padded very well and it has a nice sleeve around the keyboard. The keys are a bit slippery though, even though they are textured. It comes with extra keys to turn it into a Mac and to change some of them out into an orange. The C1 is a wired keyboard and comes with a cloth wire. It's USB-C and it has a USB-C to USB converter. And you get your keycap puller. The wire is conveniently located on the left side so you don't bump into your laptop. It has a quick reference chart for Windows, Linux and macOS. And your lighting effects, it's all white because this is not RGB. And the lighting effects are bog standard. Some of the lighting effects are interactive. You get your standard on, your breathing, your pulsing, and my personal favorite. It's not too high. That often was a problem with the other keyboards that I tried. They're a bit too tall, and so you don't really need a wrist rest for this. This is really nice. Yeah.
It sounds a bit hollow though.
So let's get a screwdriver, open it up and dump some silicone into it. In order to open up the Keychron, you have to remove certain keys to get to the screws. Initially it was not clear to me which keys hit which screws, and later I realized that one of the screws was hidden by the bezel. I took a credit card and wedged it in between and carefully undid all the clips. It is a bit of a fiddle, take your time, take it slow, but it will come off. So the keys are hidden between the escape key, the 7 and the 8 key, underneath the bezel, then the middle row, the cursor key, the spacebar key, and between the Ctrl and the Alt. To prevent the silicone from leaking out, I fill all the gaps in the base with wax-based clay. You can also use your hot glue, but never use sulfur-based clay. Be sure to seal all the gaps in the base really well. You don't want any silicone to leak out. This silicone is 1:1 by volume and weight, and I mixed up a batch of 200 milliliters, which turned out to be far too much. You can do with 110 milliliters. Mix it up very well. You don't want inhibit curing. And now pour it into the base. Take it slowly and pour it up till the lowest packs. Don't go any higher. And take your time. The silicone will level itself over time. And here it is waiting to cure. I sped up the last curing with a hairdryer. This is a special effects trick because we hate waiting. Now I remove all the monster clay. I cut around the stand into the silicone, as you can see, so I can take it out easily if you so desire. And there it is. Now we can fit back the keyboard. It should slot in nicely. Put in the screws. Be sure to not over tighten them because the posts are very fragile. Now put back the keys and we're almost done.
Oh, no hollow sound.
That's right. There you have it. A highly modded Keychron C1. It's around $60, 59 euros. And now it has a nice deep clank, and with all that silicone it has some normal weight to it as well. It's cool, I love it. It's going to be my daily driver. I hope you liked this episode and see you in the next one.